We all know sleep is important. It's a fundamental part of our daily routine, yet many of us don't get enough of it. But did you know it's directly connected to what you eat? The foods you consume can have a significant impact on the quality of your sleep. It's true. Good food helps you sleep better. Nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can promote better sleep patterns. When you sleep, your body repairs itself. This is a crucial time for your body to heal and rejuvenate. This is when you build muscle and strengthen your immune system. Quality sleep is essential for physical recovery and overall health. Sleep also affects your mood and energy. A good night's sleep can leave you feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Eating the right foods can make a big difference in your sleep. Foods rich in magnesium, like nuts and leafy greens, can help you relax and fall asleep more easily. The wrong foods can keep you up at night. Sugary snacks and caffeine can disrupt your sleep cycle and make it harder to get the rest you need. Let's learn how to eat our way to better sleep. By making mindful food choices, you can improve your sleep quality and overall well-being. Certain foods can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. Look for foods rich in magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that relaxes your muscles and calms your mind. Good sources of magnesium include leafy green vegetables, almonds, and avocados. Another sleep superhero is melatonin. This hormone regulates your sleep-wake cycle. You can find melatonin in tart cherries, walnuts, and oatmeal. We all love a good cup of coffee or tea, but be mindful of caffeine. It's a common part of our daily routines, providing that much-needed boost in the morning or during a midday slump. Caffeine is a stimulant that can stay in your system for hours. It can keep you alert and awake, but consuming it too late in the day can interfere with your sleep cycle. Avoid caffeine in the afternoon and evening. Instead, opt for water or herbal teas that are caffeine-free. This simple switch can make a big difference in your sleep quality. Heavy meals close to bedtime can also disrupt your sleep. Eating large portions late at night can cause discomfort and indigestion. It takes time for your body to digest large amounts of food. This process can keep you awake and make it harder to fall asleep. This can keep you awake, leading to restless nights and groggy mornings. It's best to have your last meal at least a few hours before bedtime. Spicy foods can also trigger heartburn and indigestion, making it difficult to fall asleep. The discomfort from these foods can cause you to toss and turn, disrupting your rest. Section 4. Tips and tricks for better sleep. Want better sleep? You're not alone. Many people struggle with getting a good night's rest, but there are simple changes you can make to improve your sleep quality. Start with your dinner plate. Try these simple tips. Eat dinner earlier. Eating too late can disrupt your sleep cycle and make it harder to fall asleep. Aim to have your dinner at least 3 hours before bedtime. Give your body time to digest before you go to bed. Choose sleep-promoting snacks. Opt for light, healthy snacks that won't keep you awake. Avoid heavy, spicy, or sugary foods that can cause discomfort and restlessness. Have a small snack rich in magnesium or melatonin a couple of hours before bed. Foods like bananas, almonds, and chamomile tea can help relax your body and prepare it for sleep. Limit liquids before bed to avoid waking up for bathroom trips. This can prevent nighttime bathroom trips. Staying hydrated is important, but try to drink most of your fluids earlier in the day. This way you won't disrupt your sleep with frequent trips to the bathroom. Small changes in your eating habits can make a big difference in your sleep quality. By adjusting your meal times and choosing the right snacks, you can set yourself up for a restful night and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Section 5. Sweet dreams are made of this. Remember, good sleep starts with good food. By making smart choices about what you eat, especially in the evening, you can improve your sleep quality significantly. Enjoy those sleep-promoting foods and say goodbye to sleepless nights. Sweet dreams.